I am sure you have seen this kind of Ghibli-style image and video going viral on social media. As we all know, we can turn any image into Ghibli style using ChatGPT. But here's the catch. You can generate Ghibli images a very limited number of times on ChatGPT if you are a free user. However, in this video, I will talk about another AI tool where you can create unlimited images for free. Not only that, you can also create a Ghibli-style talking avatar like this. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, to create Ghibli-style images or convert any image today, I will use Grok AI. It's a free-to-use AI model that can generate amazing text-based content. You can generate images and edit any image for free. Once you are on the Grok homepage, click on Try Grok. After coming to this page, click here and then create an account. Alright, now we are ready to create text or image-based content. To create any image, select the Create Image option from under the prompt box. Now, we have to write the prompt here in this box. Simply type what you want in your image. For example, I am typing a girl riding a motorcycle. After entering the prompt, hit the Send button. And here you can see the image is generating. It's very quick. And here it is. You can see that Grok AI generates two high-quality realistic images. Both of the images are highly detailed and rich. However, it generates realistic images by default, but we want images in Ghibli style. To create images in Ghibli style, we have to mention the style in the prompt. So, this time, I will add Ghibli style after the prompt. Or, you can mention it at the start, like, draw a Ghibli style image of a girl riding a motorcycle. After entering the full prompt, hit the Send button. And here it is. Look at the newly generated images. Now, Grok generates perfect Ghibli-style images for us. And look at the quality of the image. It's just amazing. I love it. Not only can you generate images, but you can also edit them here with text prompts. For example, I want a city road background here. I am simply typing, in a city road. And here it is. You can see the background has been changed, but the subject remains the same. So I can tell you that Grok is not only a powerful image generator, but also a powerful image editor. To turn our existing images into Ghibli-style animation, let's do it together. First, we have to upload the image. So, click on the attachment icon from here, and then upload the image you want to turn into anime. Once the image is uploaded, just write in Ghibli style, and then hit the Send button. Wait a moment, and here it is. Our image is ready. You can see the result. Grok AI did a great job. And with this same method, you can create unlimited images using Grok AI. Most importantly, it's free and easy to use. Not only Ghibli style, you can create images in any style using Grok AI. So don't forget to try this tool. Okay, now let's see how you can create Ghibli-style talking photos. To do that, I will use another AI tool called DreamFace AI. This is not just a talking photo generator, it's an AI tools hub where you can create avatar videos, AI photos, and many more. I will put the link in the description. Once you are on the home page, scroll down and then click on the See All button from here. You will be redirected to the DreamFace Tools page. Now we have to create an account, so click on the Login or Sign Up button from here and then create your account. Okay, now here you can see all the tools. In the AI Photo tool, you can see all the AI image tools. You can turn your image into a Ghibli-style image using the AI filter feature. You will find a vast number of filters in the AI filters option. We have to select the Ghibli style to create a Ghibli image. Once you are on this page, click here and then upload the image you want to convert. After uploading the image, click on the Generate button. Now wait a moment. And here it is. Our image is ready. DreamFace generates a pretty decent Ghibli image from our realistic image. Okay, now let's create a talking photo using this image. I am downloading the image. After that, go to the Avatar Video tab from here. Here, you will find a vast library of talking avatars. You can create videos with these avatars. However, since we want to create an avatar with our own image, scroll up and click on the plus icon from here. Now, we have to upload the image. I am uploading the image I just downloaded. You can even upload a video clip to create lip sync. After uploading the image, we have to set the voiceover. Here, you will find two options. You can generate a voiceover from text or upload a pre-recorded voiceover clip. I will go with the text-to-speech tool. First, we have to enter the text script here in this box. If you don't have a script, use the AI script generator tool. I am pasting a ready script. After entering the script, set a voice actor from here. You will find a bunch of options. Just find and select the best one. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. It will take some time to generate the video, so I am fast-forwarding the video. And here it is, our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Hi, I am delighted to introduce myself as a dedicated professional with a strong background in marketing. I have a proven track record of delivering successful campaigns and driving revenue growth for various organizations. With a keen eye for detail and a passion for creativity, I thrive in fast-paced environments where I can utilize my skills to achieve exceptional results. I look forward to the opportunity to bring my expertise to your team.
This is just amazing. It generates a very high-quality talking photo avatar. The lip sync quality is just perfect. I really love this feature. So now, you can create Ghibli-style images using DreamFace and then create high-quality talking photos using the AI avatar generator feature. You can generate 10 talking avatar videos per day for free. If you need more, you can buy a premium plan. You can start with only $30 per year, and you can generate unlimited videos and images. However, my suggestion is to try it for free first. If you find it valuable, then you can buy a plan. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with Ghibli-style image and video generation. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!